Hey dolls!
Making me hate you, probably think it's painful, but really I'm great.
Hey dolls, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new, you know what to do. Go ahead and click the subscribe button below and become a part of the dollhouse. We would love to have you here. Okay, I am a little giddy today, y'all. I did take a little shot. Okay, so boom, today we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day little room tour. It's not too much, just a little few bits and bobs. I wanted to go with a sweetheart theme. I might also share with you the Valentine's Day decor throughout the rest of my house as well, because I only have a few little bits and bobs to share with you dolls. I didn't really decorate the front of my door. I just put up a wreath. And also I was told not to show the front of my house anymore because that could be dangerous. But yeah, in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you dolls my Valentine's Day bedroom. And I just want to say happy Valentine's Day to you dolls. Today is February 14th, so it is Valentine's Day. And I want to do something special for you dolls. Like I said before in previous videos, I do have a ton of vlog footage. Lighting today is crazy outside. The sun just keeps moving up and down, up and down. But you guys, I am pretty happy with the way that my room turned out. I think she's super cute, and I am going to show you guys the rest of my kitchen decor and any other little bits and bobs I have throughout my house. But enough rambling dolls. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't be shy doll. Without any more yapping, let's go ahead and hop into the room tour. My room, she's so cute. Okay, let me get you guys. Okay dolls, so here's a quick overview of what my bed and my room is looking like. My bed takes up like 90% of my room, so as you dolls can see, this is just what everything looks like. Okay, let's start over here. I hope you guys can see, but this is my Valentine's Day tree. This is what the Valentine's Day tree came out like, you guys. I am so excited with it. I do love it. Like I said, my theme for my bedroom this year was sweetheart, so I wanted to add a lot of like sweetheart themed candies and stuff like that in there. So I'm just going to show you guys a few of my favorites. We left the bow up from Christmas and the lollipops because it matched. But I love these little pics I got from Hobby Lobby a while ago. I put these little hugs and kisses sign throughout. P.S. I love you sign. A lot of the stuff is from Hobby Lobby, by the way, except for these. These are actually from the 99 cents only store, which they closed down a while back. I have my little bitty Eiffel Tower. She's so pretty. And I have some of these giant sweetheart plushies that I got from 99 cents only store that I added in here. And ooh, I love this ornament so much. She's so cute, from Home Goods. But yeah dolls, this is what the tree is looking like. The bottom has some really cute Valentine's Day themed like novelty things. I have a heart-shaped pillow underneath there. I have this gnome. I know I said I hate gnomes, and I do, y'all, but he's like the only gnome I have outside of these other two plushies that I used for Christmas that I'm actually donating. He's the only gnome that I like right now. I don't like any other gnomes, and he's always with his little truck. I did initially put this in the living room, but I didn't like it in there, so I brought it in here. I have these giant lip pillow. You dolls would have seen this during Valentine's Day. If you turn this over, it has vampire teeth. I told you dolls I'm gonna use it for Valentine's Day as well, so that's what it looks like. And then this little sweetheart plaque. Side note, but I did get brand new nails. They're so cute. I am obsessed with them for Valentine's Day. Okay dollies, so now we're on to my dresser, and I'm so happy with the way that it came out. I didn't do anything too crazy. I just added this little stand, and I put this sweetheart plaque that says True Love on there. I put my macaron back up, and I added this rose candle, and that's pretty much it. Everything else has been here since Christmas, except for I did change out the candlesticks to like the twisty candles instead of the tree ones. Duh, because Christmas is over.
There's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it.
But yeah, that's what she looks like from afar. And then we move over to my little stool, and I just have this cutesy little macaron pillow. You guys, I love this thing. $5 at Target. She's so cute. I will say I got two, and one of them looks a little darker than the other, so the color is off, but it's still really cute. And honestly, you can't tell, because look, that's the other one, when they're across from each other. Like, they have to be sitting right next to each other for you to be able to tell. So really like that. Thinks that's super cute. So here is the overview of my bed, and then I will get into my nightstands, you guys. I'm obsessed with it. I definitely just wanted to add pops of Valentine's Day while also bringing out my spring decor. So I have these flowers at the edge of my bed. You guys have seen this already. Bedside tray. I added this True Love plaque. These little candle candies. How cute are those? Those are from Burlington, by the way. And then these candles are stacked macarons, y'all. So freaking cute. I got these from Home Goods. And also, by the way, I was looking for the stacked I think it's Martha Stewart, the stacked hearts, candy hearts. I was only able to find the red. I couldn't find the pink. So I just went with these. And I think these are cute and a better option anyways, because they can go for Christmas or any type of theme. It's just like macarons, really. Okay, so moving up, I have all of my Valentine's Day pillows. The heart pillows that are corduroy are from Target last year. And then this little, let me get it so you guys can see. I feel like you can't see it. And then this little silky pillow I got off of Temu. It's so cute. I wish I had time to add like satin sheets to my bed for this tour, but that is okay, you guys. I'm looking for the perfect set of satin sheets and I haven't found them yet. So this is what we're working with. You guys will probably see that in the summer or spring. Then at the back of my headboard, I added these little hearts that I got inside of a variety pack at Hobby Lobby a few years back. They are just some like vase filler. I'll show you what they look like up close. They're like woven, knit, I don't know. But they're super cute, and like I said, it works perfectly with my sweetheart theme this year.
But that ain't old news. Delusional clues. That's how the story goes. Just
moving up above my bed on my canopy, I have this little heart ornament. She's so cute. And then I added some bows just to cover up the little hooks that are holding the canopy because they are not cute at all. Okay, dolls, so let's go ahead and get into what my nightstands look like, and they are identical, so I'm not going to show you each one. I'm just going to show you one. So I have this heart-shaped candle. I had this for a few years now. I put my XOXO sign back there, some flowers, and this statue and the photo frame I have up all year round. I just added the flowers and the little XOXO and the heart candle for Valentine's Day, and I think she looks so cute. Don't mind the pillows on the floor. I'm still kind of tidying up my room at the moment. Above my door when you walk in, I did add this little heart garland. I didn't know where else to put it, and the hooks had already been up there since Christmas, so I just hung it up there. I also took a huge chunk of my wall out when I was taking down the command hooks. I do not trust command hooks, y'all, because why is there a huge hole? Isn't it supposed to be like safe for walls? I don't know. Anyways, That's what the garland looks like. Super cute, giving you that sweetheart thing. So we are in my dressing room. Not a lot that I did in here. Wanted to keep it simple and not so cluttered. But I did add these little heart-shaped doilies up on my mirror. It looks so cute. I like it. Again, sweetheart theme. I really just wanted to focus on my vanity sink. So I have here some of my macaron candles, this Te Amo dish that's currently holding my vitamins and also my pill case because I have to refill this. I also have these macaron towers next to my perfume tower, and I just think she's so adorable and cute. I also got this little soap dish or lotion dish that has nothing in it because it's just for decor, but you guys, look at how freaking gorgeous this is. Like, are you forking kidding me? I'm obsessed with this. It's so perfect. It's definitely staying up all year round. I didn't really do much for Valentine's Day in my dressing room. I just added these little heart ornaments with the snowflakes. And then, sorry, my closet doors are open, but I added a lingerie piece up there. And then I just kept the like hanging snowflakes because it's still like winter. In my bathroom, I added these heart-shaped towels, and then I only decorated inside of my shower because I don't want y'all to see my new bathroom yet. So here's what it looks like inside of the shower. I have this cute little rubber ducky I got from Target. She's so adorable. And then down here, I just have this little heart-shaped sponge. Oh my god, my nails are getting stuck in everything. This little heart-shaped sponge is from Dollar Tree. And I have some of my favorite Valentine's Day body care items out. Strawberry pound cake. Don't sleep on it. Also, don't sleep on crumble. Do not sleep on Crumble Dove Lemon Glaze. It is fire. It's so good. Okay, you guys, as promised, I'm going to show you the rest of my Valentine's Day decor in the rest of my house. So we have my rug. This is from Target. You dolls already seen the coffee bar, so I won't go in depth on that. I'll just give you guys a quick little overview. How cute. She slayed. She slayed. And then I also added these little heart-shaped wreaths on the door. Don't mind the dirty kitchen. I was trying to do some baking, but I don't know if I'll get to it today. But I have this heart-shaped little tower with a little truck and some candies in it and some other little cute things. Cute, cute. And then over here I have my heart with a little chocolate candle candy. So cute. And then we have my gingerbread Valentine's house with two little trees. That's super, super adorable. I don't know if I can show you guys the sink because at this time it is so bright outside right now. I don't know. So this is what the sink is giving. Love this. I love that I decided to put the two big hair clips up there. I think it looks so cute. Don't mind the kitchen. This is not mine. My roommate is back. He did that. That is not mine, but this cup is. This stuff is, but that I didn't do that. No. Anyways, this is what she's giving. I love the garland. I don't know if you guys can see because it's matte bright, but I ended up putting a little bird. You know what we didn't end up doing? Painting those cupcakes and putting them in the windowsill. That's what we forgot to do. But that is okay. So I have this little stuff here. I hope you guys are seeing what you can see. But it's still cute even without the little cupcakes. I might paint them just for funsies over the weekend, but yay, that was my Valentine's Day kitchen. This is what my credenza turned out like. I went ahead and added this little tablecloth, and it has the rhinestone hearts, so cute. Little pink heart scatters, and I also have the pink candle. But yeah, this is what she came out like. Sorry, it's like super dark in here right now. Y'all already saw the only Valentine pillow I have. What is that? Is that a stain on the couch? What the heck is that? This is what the fireplace came out like. I just left up the wreath and the garland, and then I started adding my spring decor at the bottom of it because you guys already heard me in my last video. I cannot wait to get the Valentine's Day decor down, honestly. That's pretty much it, you guys. That was all the Valentine's Day stuff. Okay, baby dolls, so that was my 2025 Valentine's Day home decor. I hope you dolls enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you dolls. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Bye dolls. Love you.
Let you know, no need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat.